Hello all, welcome to yet another wonderful episode of Gharpedia. Homes, in the past, had, and several of them in the rural pockets still have, a familiar, rugged material woven into ropes, mats, and sacks. This humble yet sturdy fiber has been a silent companion in our daily lives for generations. It's called coir, a natural gift from coconut husks, known for its resilience and versatility. Back to the 11th century AD, coir played a vital role in maritime history, strengthening rigging and sails. Coastal communities in India and Sri Lanka have long utilized coir for making household items, mattresses, and handicrafts. Though industrialization led to its decline, the growing demand for sustainable materials is bringing coir back into the spotlight as a durable and eco-friendly alternative. Coir is known by different names across India: Katha in Gujarati, Kair in Hindi and Malayalam, Tendiya Naru in Kannada and Tennai in Tamil. In the traditional method of coir manufacturing, coconut husks are soaked in water for months. This retting process helps separate the fibers, which are then beaten, washed, and dried to loosen them up. In the mechanical method, the dehusking process is expedited using machines, where fibers are separated after just 5 days of retting. The fibers are then sorted, spun, and turned into various products. Coir is categorized into two main types: brown coir, extracted from mature coconuts. This is tough and coarse, making it ideal for mats, brushes, ropes, and upholstery padding. White coir, extracted from immature, green coconuts. This is finer and softer, commonly used in making fishing nets, ropes, and mats. Let's take a closer look at its diverse applications. Coir ropes are traditionally used to fasten scaffolding. Natural fiber reinforced panels, NFRP, made with coir are being used in partition walls and insulation panels for temperature regulation. Coir-based plywood and high-density boards are sustainable alternatives to traditional wood, making them perfect for furniture and interiors. Acoustic panels made from coir offer excellent soundproofing solutions, while coir rugs and mats are popular choices for flooring and decor. Coir is used in making durable brushes and brooms. It is also used in road construction and roofing, proving its wide-ranging utility. Coir geotextiles help in soil stabilization and erosion control. Coir pith or coco peat is an excellent soil enhancer, retaining moisture for plant growth. Even garden pots and baskets made of coir are completely biodegradable. India and Sri Lanka lead in coir production and export. The Government of India even has a dedicated coir board to promote and support this industry. Coir products are cost-effective, readily available, and extremely eco-friendly. So, next time you need a household product, consider choosing coir, because going green starts with small choices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into sustainable living. Drop a comment below. What's